When most people think about starting a business, they imagine trendy startups, innovative apps, or something that will make them look cool at dinner parties. But there's a secret that successful entrepreneurs know. The most boring businesses are often the most profitable. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 20 businesses that nobody talks about, but quietly make their owners a fortune. These are recession-proof, low-tech, and surprisingly easy to start. Let's dive in. I'm going to break these down into 3 categories: the trades and home services, essential business services, and niche and digital services. Let's start with the first category. Number 1, garage floor epoxy. Homeowners are obsessed with upgrading their garages. A plain concrete floor looks dull, but a glossy, durable epoxy finish looks like a showroom. The equipment is cheap, the process is repeatable, and the results are visual, making marketing easy with before and after photos. You can charge $3 to $5 per square foot, and the typical 2-car garage brings in $1,500 to $2,500. Number 2, solar panel cleaning. Most homeowners don't realize that dust and grime reduce solar panel efficiency. Dirty panels can lose 20 to 30% of their output. A soft brush, deionized water, and a simple setup cost under $500. You can charge $150 to $300 per cleaning, and the average home needs cleaning twice a year. Recurring revenue, minimal overhead, this is a hidden gem. Number 3, pressure washing. This is the original boring business. Driveways, siding, decks, the demand is endless and recession-resistant. The startup cost is low, a machine and a truck. And the satisfying footage of grime melting away is free marketing on social media. You can easily clear $200 to $500 per job. Number 4, grave care and maintenance. This is one of the most overlooked niches in the service industry. Families who live out of state will pay a monthly fee for headstone cleaning, flower placement, and plot maintenance. There's almost zero competition. Clients are emotionally invested and will stay with you for years. You can charge $25 to $50 per month per plot. Number 5, HVAC maintenance contracts. Instead of chasing big installations, focus on recurring service agreements. 200 to 400 contracts at $15 to $25 per month can generate a stable, predictable income. The U.S. HVAC market is projected to reach over $25 billion. This is a stable, recession-resistant business model. Number 6, junk removal and hauling. The demand is endless: estate cleanouts, evictions, renovations, and hoarder situations. Margins are high because much of what you haul can be recycled, resold, or scrapped. A truck and a strong back are the main requirements. You can easily make $300 to $800 per job. Number 7, mobile car detailing. Busy people will pay a premium for convenience. You drive to the client, and they pay you to make their car look brand new. Once you build a client base, you have repeat customers and easy upsells on premium services like ceramic coatings. A basic detailing service runs $150 to $300 per car. Number 8, window cleaning. A classic service with high recurring demand for both residential and commercial properties. It requires minimal equipment and can be quite profitable, especially if you secure contracts with local businesses. Commercial contracts alone can bring in $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Now, let's move to the second category: essential business services. Number 9, commercial cleaning. Offices, schools, and retail stores will always need cleaning. This is about securing recurring contracts for predictable revenue. Look for multi-year contracts with stable clients. Niches like medical clinics, gyms, or post-construction cleaning can be especially lucrative. A small commercial cleaning business can easily gross $100,000 per year. Number 10, pest control. This is a subscription-based model with high customer retention. Restaurants, warehouses, and property management firms need regular service. The global market is projected to reach $34 billion by 2030. This is a high-moat business due to licenses and recurring routes. A typical pest control contract runs $50 to $150 per month. Number 11, portable toilet rental. It's not glamorous, but construction sites and events are required to have them. Profit margins are high. Cleaning a unit takes 10 to 15 minutes and can generate roughly $50 per stop. With 50 units in rotation, you're looking at $2,500 per cleaning cycle. Number 12, party and event rentals. This is a scalable business built around a simple model. Rent out equipment. Starting with a single item, like a slushie machine, can grow into an inventory of tents, tables, and catering equipment. The equipment does the work for you. A single wedding rental can bring in $1,000 to $5,000. Number 13, laundromats. The U.S. laundromat industry is expected to generate $7.2 billion in 2026. They are a classic example of a business that runs with minimal staff. It's a cash business with predictable, recurring demand. While startup costs can be high, buying an existing location with stable footfall is a smart play. A well-run laundromat can net $40,000 to $100,000 per year. Now let's talk about the third category, niche and digital services. Number 14, VHS to digital transfer. There's huge nostalgia demand from older clients who want to preserve memories. Equipment is cheap, and one entrepreneur described finishing a $20,000 job converting 700 tapes. It's easy money with high profit margins. You can charge $15 to $25 per tape. Number 15, AI automation services. Small businesses are overwhelmed by administrative tasks. Offering AI automation for scheduling, invoicing, and customer service is a low-overhead, high-demand service. You can launch with relatively low startup costs and scale easily. Monthly retainers range from $500 to $2,000 per client. Number 16, niche B2B SaaS. Boring, specialized software for industries like HVAC scheduling, dental billing, or trucking compliance is incredibly sticky. Customers have a high willingness to pay because the alternative is inefficient paper-based systems. Even a simple SaaS product can generate $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Number 17, niche newsletters. A well-curated newsletter on a specific topic, like local real estate or retirement finance, can build a loyal audience and generate significant ad or subscription revenue. Low startup cost and can be a highly scalable passive income stream once established. A newsletter with 10,000 subscribers can generate $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Number 18, vendor-managed industrial supply. You manage the inventory of essential supplies like safety gear or cleaning products for a business. You take over a boring but necessary task. Once a contract is secured, it's a set-it-and-forget-it source of recurring revenue. Margins are typically 20 to 40%. Number 19, emissions testing. This is a mandatory government-regulated service that is consistently required. It's the definition of an essential, boring business. High barrier to entry due to licensing, which means less competition and steady demand. A single testing station can gross $150,000 to $300,000 per year. Number 20, tax preparation. It's a $30 billion industry that peaks once a year. While it's seasonal, the demand is non-negotiable for millions of individuals and businesses. You can start small, offering services to individuals and local small businesses. A solo tax preparer can easily earn $50,000 to $100,000 per tax season. So those are 20 boring businesses that quietly print money. What do they all have in common? They solve problems that people will always have. They don't rely on trends. They don't need venture capital. They just need a reliable service provider who shows up and does the work. Your action plan for today? Pick one of these 20 businesses that resonates with you. Research the startup costs in your area. Talk to someone who already runs a similar business. Then start small and scale up. The boring businesses are the ones that survive recessions, economic downturns, and changing consumer habits. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more practical money guides.